There's about brighter end to the week, some welcome sunshine tomorrow, but it will be turning noticeably colder. At the moment though, a familiar story. It's another mild day out there, temperatures well above the norm. A lot of cloud, but if you're lucky you'll see some brightness. This is the scene outside in Newcastle very recently, but generally cloud does dominate, as you can see on the satellite picture. Over my shoulder though, a big wodge of clear sky out in the Atlantic, and that's heading in our direction for tomorrow. Now the dividing line between the cloud and the clear is a weather front, and it's lurking with intent across the far northwest of Scotland, bringing some heavier outbreaks of rain here later on this afternoon. Already damp across other western parts of Scotland, damp and windy, but further south and east, plenty of dry weather, some brightness if you're lucky, you'll notice, across the east of the Pennines, and I can't rule out the odd sunnier slot elsewhere, but generally cloudy. Look at those temperatures though, 12, 13 degrees, way above what it should be at this time of year. Even down across the far southwest, I'm hopeful of a little bit of sunshine if you're lucky through the afternoon. Yes, the odd spot of drizzly rain possible in the breeze, particularly towards western coasts of England and Wales. But for Northern Ireland, predominantly dry through the afternoon. Temperatures here up to 12, possibly 13 degrees, despite that blustery wind. Now, through this evening, that weather front I mentioned is going to get its act together, spreading some very wet and windy weather in across many parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland. And then through the early hours, it's going to make its way down across England and Wales, a discrete band of quite nasty weather, strong winds and some heavy rain, arriving across East Anglia in the southeast by around about 9 a.m. in the morning. It'll be wet here, but it will be relatively mild. Temperatures still in double figures. Behind that weather front, it'll clear up, yes, we'll see some sunshine. It will turn chillier though, a blustery wind and showers already turning readily to sleet or snow up over the higher ground of western Scotland. So a very different sort of day. I'll see some showers for a time across the north of Northern Ireland, getting into the northwest Pennines too for a time, but by and large it's a lovely day in prospect. The rain clearing away from the far southeast fairly promptly. Lots of crisp sunshine through the afternoon, but it will feel chillier. Temperatures at their best around about, 6 to 8 degrees. Doesn't look too bad, but there will be that blustery wind to take into account. And we'll keep that cool theme going into the weekend. Cool, but plenty of sunshine by day. Touch of frost at night. Rain for a time across Scotland and Northern Ireland, but by Monday we'll be clearing away northwards. Plenty of sunshine, especially in the east, but on the chilly side by then. Darren, back to you.